Nice, I was muted. So let's adjust just my volume so you don't hear me scream into my mic. And now it should be fine. There we go. All right. Hi guys. First of all, I'm back again. And yeah, so let's not talk that much. Let's dive directly into the charts. Let me just adjust this and select this stream. Why isn't it? There we go. This one here. Come on. All right. Like as always, I haven't marked the levels, so we will do it together. Yeah, so basically I'm tired as fuck, so could be that we miss some trades today. I'm running on a few hours of sleep, and yeah, anyway, we will make it through this week as well. Like I guess today I will go to sleep very, 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 very early. Very early. All right. So yeah, I would say first of all, I make with you the levels on the 15-minute basis. So let's check. Come check this. Alrighty. Where should we start? We got like another day, another dawn. Let's delete these ones here. Do we need this one? Yeah, this is still a level of interest. And basically it's not only this, it's this whole range here. So fuck. Yeah. Okay, let's go. No excuses, right? So basically, first of all, we make our real-time hour for real-time hours on the display so we can get our opening range gap settlement. Like opening range gap settlement is the closing, the last closing candle or the closing on the last candle on the real trading hours. And it's basically where the real trading hours, like it's New York close when the New York Stock Exchange is closing. It's like I'm not sure, but the electronic trading hours do skip 1 hour, but as far as I know, the real trading hours make the cut at, I guess it's 4:15, and if I'm right, the electronic trading hours make the cut at 4:30. So in this 15 minutes, in the last 15 minutes, there could be some movement still, or even I don't know, maybe 4:45-ish. I'm not sure, something around this level, but yeah, basically that's the difference why you rather take the um, why you rather should select here RTH instead of ETH. Yeah, so basically RTH, real trading hours, and ETH is electronic trading hours, because the market on the electronic trading hours is trading like 23 hours, and on the on the real time hours, I guess market is only trading, I don't know, 7 hours. Is it possible? Could be. I don't know, man. I don't know. And today, for sure. Like today, for sure. I don't know. That's clear. So, okay, let's move our last day. Our last day low to Monday low. It was here, right? Yeah. Alrighty. Is it? It's. um, So actually, right now I'm playing around a bit because until yet, I've done my last day high and last day low before midnight. So making midnight the turning point for the next day. But I consider changing that and maybe just choose the opening hours. What do I mean by that? Like, for example, the last day low here on Monday was at 6:45, and wouldn't be possible if I would choose the market closing as my last point, because obviously it would be this. No, it wouldn't be. It would be this here. So this would be my low here, right? But yeah, I will test around a bit. I will keep that in mind, and I will see how levels reacting there, and then I will choosy moozy if I want to do this or not. All right, the last midnight open, we don't need that because we already, is this already daily high? Yeah, okay, fine, but was it already marked? Let me see this one not. Okay. So, okay, but we got on our last day low, last week low, we got our, no, on our last day low from yesterday. So not yesterday's low, but Friday's low. We got still our last week low, which means we don't have to add our daily low level. But anyway, anyhow, let's move on and put the time zones on. So we have like, oh no, it happens every time to me. All right, so this should be our, which level is higher? This is 21, 4, 5, 3, 50, 43, 21, 4, 5, 3, 75, 4, 5, 3, 50, 75. Like this is higher. This is our Asian range high here. Let's drag it to 6, and then we go down here and we adjust this as well, and we drag this up here, and then we click on it and we make it an edge range high, but we have already adjusted. There we go. Man, I'm really slow today. I already see it coming. Like if there is a trade, fuck, I will miss it. I will be too slow, or I will get in like very, very late, like that trade already reached my take profit, and I will be like, enter. Anyway, let's try. So maybe today's gambling time. So we got 445, although the London range is closing at 5. We're acting on a 15-minute time frame, which means the last candle, like the close of the 45 is 5, right? And the beginning of um, the beginning of the next candle, like of the 5 candle, is already 501. So yeah, so I like to choose the last candle of the previous 15 minutes um, before the mountain range is ending. But yeah, I guess this is just a preference of mine. Because for me it's easier. Because right now this is the closing, this would be the opening. I saw it wrong. Now I have to adjust it again. I don't know. It's easier for me to choose the 445. This is even lower, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It is. It is, man. It is, sir. Give me some Solana, sir. Oh, man. Alrighty. Alrighty. Alrighty, bitey. There we go. Now we just have to adjust our midnight open, which is here. There we go. And we got 1 minute left until opening, which is pretty cool. I haven't analyzed anything today. Like this is my first interaction with the chart for today. Like I slept 2 hours ago. So that's how late I am to everything. I worked the whole night. And yeah, I was barely sleeping, like just one hour or so, or let's say 2 hours. And yeah, so let's see where this will end. Maybe if I'm good, I will just change my schedule for sleeping to 2 hours from now on. No, I wouldn't do that. Like 4 hours is okay, but 2 hours, man, I would be dead. I would be dead, dead, dead. Okay. Anyway, we got our new day opening gap low up here. Why isn't it possible to drag this up here? There we go. Let's search the open and the close. Where is it? Where is 6? There we are. There we are. So, but we should have this already in, shouldn't we? No, we shouldn't. So basically, we had a very huge one. Not very huge, but compared to the last days, like the previous days. Um, it's a rather cool one, like a rather good one with a few points. Just let me check how many points we're speaking here about. Have I stole it now from here? There we go. All right. So this is the open, is it? It is. It's the daily new day opening gap high. All right. Okay. So basically we got these levels here. So that's not what we start with. We start with the 1 minute right now because it's opening, right? So our opening range gap low is not our low, it's our high right now because it's above price. And we're going lower, which is reasonable when I look into the charts. But to be all honest, I really thought that we will. I really thought we will have our daily low at Monday. Um, my bias wasn't like I had no bias for today, to be all honest, because I was very late on the charts, like with you. But um, yeah, basically it makes sense to be bearish right now because we got like this sell side to be taken. Um, but I'm still thinking we're going higher. I don't think I think we already have our low. Like I don't know. I'm kind of bullish. Um I'm kind of bullish. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong bullish, but I don't know. I kind of feel like we should um take higher prices. So on the 15-minute basis, we got our opening and the opening range gap. I will paint and draw the CE level here of it, also to our 1 minute. So you guys know what I'm talking about. It's 21.39.1. Anyway, I think I have to make it bigger. It's 21.39.1. It's up here, and the high is 4.4, like this. And where's our midpoint? Our midpoint is below the last week low. Okay, somewhere here, right? It doesn't have to be perfect right now, because yeah, it's it's an important point to be honest, but I think we will go higher. So let's see. It's just for measurement reasons. Where is it? Yeah, I'm pretty. It's pretty accurate. It's like just a bit below it. It's here. It's 21,415.75. 21,415.75. There we go. This is right now the right level. Have we? Wait, this is Monday evening. I'm not sure if we have drawn our first real-time hour fair value gap from yesterday. Have we? Have we drawn it out? It was earlier. Yeah, it was this one. That's pretty cool. So let's make this in the color we're used to. And our new one will be red again. Red again! So this one is 28, 29, 31, 30. So this one is our first real-time offer value gap out in red. Red Lobster. So this is first real-time offer value gap from 25th of 25th of February. There we go. Let's see the reaction out of, away from it and how price is acting there. Holy moly, we stepped through it. So basically, normally I would take this long because we traded away from the last day low and into a direction I think, like this is again my pattern. My only problem right now with it is that we have our last week low above us and like several levels, right? We got the midnight open above us. We got the CE of the opening range gap above us. We got the opening range gap above us. We got the midnight open. I think I already said this. The second previous week's high. We got the London range high above us, and we got the Asian range high above us. On the other hand, we haven't took out our Asian range, and I want to see that. I want to see it been taken out. So I will. Yeah, no. Yeah, I will sit on my hands until I don't know, maybe to my macro, 950 to 1010. Um, yeah, or maybe maybe even later, like the silver bullet time. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I was also wrong with my. Hmm, maybe I was also wrong with my bullishness. We will see. Maybe not. Like I still stick with it. We had a nice reaction here on our. Let me close this one and let me make this bigger. Yeah, not change it, but make it a little bit bigger. There we go. We had our nice reaction on the first return morphin value gap from the 2nd of January. Like I guess this was even the first, like the first real-time morphin value gap from this whole year, which should be a really strong level. Yeah, you see it here, like bounced away, bounced away, bounced away. Here we step through, which is rather strange. I don't know what level this is, but yeah. Anyway, we tried it several times, but basically our resistance on the level was way too strong. So normally I would say this was a fake out to trap sellers, like building this relative equal lows, trapping sellers into it, and then just buying up the price, right? And now I could imagine going higher. Like I don't know. I don't know. I'm bullish. I'm bullish and I stick with it. And I stick with it. And if I go long, I would. That's not even such a big range. Like I would ride this thing maybe 100 points, not even like from here on. It's not even 100 points. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what price has for us today. Oh man, let me have a look if Trump is speaking again and what the heat map is doing. But first, we go with Forex Factory. No, Trump is not speaking, but we got our consumer sentiment at 10. Yeah, so it's orange news. I will not do anything until 10 because 10 could make a weird move and just show us his hands afterwards. So I will wait until 10. Maybe nice to catch the. Oh, oh shit, sorry. Maybe nice to catch the 950 to 1010 macro within the last 10 minutes of it. Anyway, let's go to the heat maps. There we go. Oh, that's too big. Yeah, so I mean you see it. It's not very spectacular. Like, yeah, we're a bit in red, but no huge numbers. Well, Tesla is fucked. But yeah, so it's fine. Like it's not a big deal here. Mm, also, let's see what the other indices are doing. Like I use this three. Oh man, come on. Yeah, there we go. I use these three indices, the Nasdaq, the ES, and the Dow, like ICT always is saying. Yeah. Um, for divergence reasons, but this is not so meaningful to me because yeah, like the Dow is an indicator if I really like the price action and it's the last drop for me to decide if I will enter or not. Like this here would be something I would consider as last like indicator to or quote unquote indicator to enter a trade. But right now that I have no bias, price is consolidating and not really doing something, I will not use this one. So basically, that's an bearish divergence, like um, showing lower price or making us think prices will go lower. But yeah, not that meaningful to me though. As I said, what is dollar doing even? Yeah, this was nice. I told yesterday on the live that we will take out these highs. we did. And from here on, we go lower. And yeah, but still, we get like this whole buy side. And I think we will take this out. Like maybe not today, maybe not even this week. Maybe this week. Maybe we will do it this week. Maybe we will do it this week. I don't know. Oh damn, we have like a really huge move on the 15-minute basis. Like this is looking really nice. All right. I don't know, we just trade lower. So what I could I imagine this? Like this is our London range low, but we already took it out. We also took out our London range high, which was here. We still have our Asian range high in play, which is here, and our Asian range high was taken out with our move in London. Right now we are underneath the last day low, so basically what could happen is my knockout pattern, which has killed me in my earlier days. Um, Let me just move this higher. There we go. Like the retest on the last day low, tricking people into thinking we will go higher and then going lower. Like right now, I'm still like my feeling, my gut is telling me we will go higher, but my analytic part, I don't know, my analytic part doesn't really have uh, any idea where we're going. So it would make sense. Let me drag the 15-minute chart there, and then we start analyzing. Because right now, I think we got like at least 3 minutes until the macro starts. This is a very nice buy side, a very, 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 very nice buy side. So I don't think we will let this be there. Maybe we could make a wick higher on the on the a week higher on the news, but yeah, let's see. Let's start the analytic part. There we go. Okay, let's start in the weekly. Like on the weekly, we don't have anything special, at least not right now. We're still in this range. We just ping-ponging around, dripping down to high to down to high to down. So yeah, I don't know. Until we break out to one side, I don't really expect anything from the week. But staying in this range. So basically, that's it with the week. And the daily, let's go. This one is a bit nicer. We get here our, what is this? This is, I guess this was adjustment, right? Is it? Or is it just wrong from me? Oh, this is wrong from me, man. Nice. All right. So basically it's this level. Nice. There we go. This is our inversion here. Um, like this is inverted here, and I would like to see if we reach this level, I would like to see a reaction of it. Like I want to see it trading with speed away from it. But yeah, that's not my target yet. Um, we get here short volume imbalance, which is not of any interest right now to me. But what do we have? Like we have this building fair value gap, but because this fair value gap is already built, we could like make just displacement lower and take out these lows finally before we go higher. Mm -hmm. Does it make sense? I don't know, because everyone should think right now that we will go lower, and I don't like to have the same bias like everyone else, because everyone else is usually wrong, right? So, yeah, okay, let's go to the 4 hour. So, what I could imagine is, what is this down here? Is this a level? Yeah, so this is basically also our new week opening gap from, I don't see it. This is 2nd February. Yeah, it's the 2nd February. So this level, the low of the volume imbalance as well our um, new week opening gap low. So we're in between. Holy moly, yeah, we in between a new week opening gap right now. Yeah, it's not that meaningful to me, to be all honest. At least not for now. Um, as of me, it could be reasonable to reach this level and then go back higher. But on the other hand, where's Tuesday starting? Right, it's like Monday, 8 a.m. It's too late, too early. So from this whole daily range, start at 6. We just made barely 200 points. Our ATR should be somewhere around 300, isn't it? ATR. Mm, but it's like more 7, and our daily. So we're at, yeah, 356. 356. So basically 356, let's keep that in mind. Basically, if we go down here, we would have like 100 more, 180 we made already, 280. So we had, even with this leg down here, we still had like, what was I saying? 180, it's 140 from here, 320. We still would have like 30 points. Like this would fill barely our um daily range, average true range. Yeah. Alrighty. So let's drag this one. No, we need this one. This one is our chart, and this one, yeah, we're still not done yet. Yeah, so let's see how price is reacting here. I mean, we're almost there. How many points left? It's like 229, and this is 200. So just 30 points over, left, over, left, left. Oh man, this is getting worse minute by minute. Okay. And this is looking very, very strong bearish. Like very, very, very bearish. Very, very bearish. There wouldn't have even be an entry. Um, there wouldn't have even be an entry somewhere. Like I'm speaking in terms of the opening. There wouldn't have been any entry for me at the opening. Like this year feels strange. Normally I don't know. Normally I took like man about three minimum 3 4 trades a week with my pattern pattern pattern. But right now, is it just me or is this year kind of strange? Like, is it possible that are you feeling that too? Are you feeling the market is kind of acting weird or at least not as it's supposed to act? Or is it just the beginning of the year? I mean, we're still in end of February. I think March is where the action really starts. So that's why I'm not really that much interested in the weekly chart because I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look back in time. Let's go back in time. Where is February? It's like, yeah, 2008 is maybe a bit too far, but there we go. Yeah, yeah, look at this. It's basic, man. There we go. It's like January. It's like basically it's the fucking same. It's crazy. Yeah, this one was even until the end of March. So we get here our February. Like this is a bit longer because this goes from December. And December here was somewhere here, but yeah, the consolidation time in February was here, right? We had here consolidation time in February. This was not really a consolidation time because we had a downtrend. Yeah, but the last, how many was it right now? It was one, like 23, 24, and this year, like 3 years in a row with a consolidation of February. 3 years in a row. 3 years. Back in the days, everything was better. No, I guess it was basically the same. We just forget it. We just forget it. There we go. This is a nice reaction within the macro. So what would be a point for me to enter a trade? Like I still think that we go higher from an analytics stand, no, from my gut and from an Oh man, from an analytics standpoint as well, because we got our Asian range high there, and I think this has to be taken out before we go lower, and we will go lower. Like I guess we will um, take the daily highs out, daily lows. That's a really nice up move here. Oh, let's see if anyone is online today streaming. Oh, 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 what? Nvidia just dropped. Tesla. Oh, oh, this is well, this is bad. Like this is bad. This is Apple is good. Good work, man. Yeah, but Nvidia -2. Yeah, okay, it's not that bad, but Tesla -4. Yeah, look, it's okay. It's from it's the November level of 24. Had a good run here, so still a healthy correction there. I mean, even Nvidia, like if you look at this run, like if you zoom out, this is still looking amazing. This is still looking amazing. So, yeah. Anyway, anyhow. So, news. News are hitting, but as far as it seems right now, they do not have a huge impact on us. Mm, yeah, like, and at 11:45 Bar is speaking, and at 1 Barkin speaks like the FOMC. We got a few meetings there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Right now we're hitting this new week opening gap low here, like it was this level. But I don't see any bullishness in price. Like I think it was yesterday, wasn't it? The same price action, like just going down and no, it was yeah, it was yesterday. It was Monday. Here, like this down move. Was it? Wait a minute. No. Yeah, yeah, of course. Of course it was Monday. There we go. This down move here, and I feel like this is the same right now. It's the same down move here. But there was no entry for me. The only entry which could have been possible was at pre-market open, like 8:30, or not 8:30, rather entry would have been But this wouldn't have been any entry to me though, because I don't know. I don't know. We don't really move lower with displacement, and like yeah, it's a breaker here, but yeah, but also it's the second previous week's low. So yeah, okay, this would have been a good entry here, to be all honest. Would have been a good entry. Maybe I have to consider maybe I have to consider starting an hour earlier and starting before opening. But I don't know. I haven't made so good experiences with start trading before the market opens because yeah, I got a lot of times it happened to me that price was making a huge move in the opposite direction to knock me out and then just going into my direction. Like really, I was the exact point of the I was the exact turning point. Like it took my stop loss and it turned. Yeah, that's why maybe I'm afraid. Maybe I should come over my fears. By the way, today I will make my mm, today I will start with my Apex account. Like I will open up a $300,000 Apex account and I will trade it. Like I will make this window a bit smaller, so we got this whole range here above this face here with the Apex account, and there we will take a bit riskier trades, like riskier trades, and maybe we start 1 hour earlier at 8:30 or 8:50, maybe 8:50, 8:15, because for the lols, no, because maybe we have to adjust. Maybe we have to adjust at least for the final days of February. I mean, they're not a lot. How many days has this February? It's like what? Mm, it's like there we go. 28 days. Like yeah, Friday is the last day of February. We're going into March. Yeah, I wanted to have a look, like, if someone else is trading too. Wieland. Wieland. I don't know. Yeah, so basically right now we're just staying inside of this range. Like, let me see. Tanya is also not live. So Wieland is talking right now about trading. It's pretty nice, like trading in general, not only about the charts. So, I mean, can have a look at the 15-second. There we see like 10 hours, 10 hours, 10 minutes. The price isn't doing anything, but just this wick here. But yeah, I, I don't know. I'm not that bullish anymore. Like I think we will maybe just see lower prices here. But where could we head to? Like we got a few lows. Do we have got one real low, which is coming to my eye, which is this one. I don't know. Wouldn't consider this one. I don't know why. Maybe it's too far for me, but I don't know. This one looks good to me. I don't know why to be taken out. But still, we still have this um, daily range. We also have gone through the here to the volume imbalance, and yeah, like these daily lows, they're much lower than the level I mentioned right now. Like these lows would be around here. That's a lot of points still. Yeah, like 830 could have been my entry. Was this even in the macro? It wasn't, right? No, no, it wasn't. Like not the building of it, and not even the entry, which price showed to me. Or wait, hold on. Like we closed below here and we retested here. So yeah, like retest would have been in the retest would have been in the macro. On the 4-hour basis, we made it through this level. So there are more possibilities to it right now, which are like we could hold on. We could close below it, which would mean we will look for lower prices. We could close above it. No, I think we will go lower. I think we will go lower. I don't think we will go up, except of maybe the retracement at 11 o'clock. So for me right now, a lot is depending on the price closing below this level or holding strong, like closing inside of the range or not. Yeah, like I don't know. I don't know. Even if I see something today, like for example, even if price would give me some kind of entry, I'm not sure if I would take it. I'm not sure if I would take it because right now I'm just my mind is foggy, right? Because of the lack of sleep. I don't know if it would be smart to do something. As I said, like it's about time to make the Apex account to make a bit more or to at least have a bit more action on the charts and not just wait and talk and 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 wait and talk. Yeah, but more like take action. This would have been a nice entry. Yeah, but still wasn't that clear to me though. Yeah, so basically it's a nice down move. It's a nice move and it's a nice move to lower prices. But I think I really would trade so far. Oh, ho. Tesla is at -6%. Nvidia at -3. Well, tech isn't looking that good. By the way, what are the other charts doing? Like everything is dropping. Everything is dropping. Even dollar. That's something I don't like. That's really something I don't want to see. Like dollar in tandem with NQ, Dow, and the ES. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like that. I like the dollar to go in the different, like in the opposite direction as NQ is doing, or as the indices are doing. Let's see if there are news about Fort Knox. Yes, there are no real news. Like I thought maybe mm, maybe there is some news about it, and that's why we dropped so hard. Mm, hmm. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what price has for us today. Mm, we just jumped away. Let me put this one here. We just jumped away from the new week opening gap of the 12th of January. Like that's the correction we are right now doing. Mm, I would like to see how is this one here. Yeah, it's more this one. I would like to see how price is acting here and also how price is acting here because if it's not even strong enough to like go through this level and reach this one, then it's very weak. Like then it's very heavy. Not weak, but weak in terms of Strong to the bearish side. Like these levels in green, where the cursor is right now, these are points of interest to me to see how price is acting. So let's see what price is doing from here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it does it now, but I would like to see it how it's acting on these levels. I'm really curious about, I don't know. Yeah, so prices just trading to the side. What is DXY doing? It's going down. Everything is just going down. What is the heat map telling us? Oh man, this is getting worse. This is getting worse minute by minute. I'm kinky today. Maybe I'm making the PM session. Because, yeah, I don't know. I don't really like. Man, I think about making a TV to the side here on the wall and like having something like, I don't know, constantly the Dow or something on it would be cool. So, what are we gonna do here? That's pretty slow right now. I'm pretty slow too right now. So, yeah, it's how it is. And that's the exact point, like where many people start failing and where many people have problems because people usually have a tendency to just hop in a trade right now. And that's something like I really don't understand it. I mean, I've done it too. I've done it too. So I'm completely within the stigmata. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Like, oh, sorry for that. That was the mic. Hello. Hello. My name is blah blah yang. Blah blah yang. Is it okay to make these jokes anymore, or isn't it? Is it already like really bad making jokes about other cultures? I don't know, man. It wasn't a thing back in the days. I just remember Scary Movie. I have to think about this so often. Like back in the days, jokes were jokes, right? Like real jokes. You made fun of each other about everything, about how you look, about where you're from, and nobody took it so seriously. Like it was all a joke, and it was all cool, and everyone was cool with it. And nowadays, I don't know. I feel like you tell somebody, "Oh, this color you on your shirt is looking fucking ugly," and they're pissed like weeks. I don't know. That's crazy. So I'm here to bring the humor back. Yeah, or I will land in prison. I don't know. Yes, it's all possible, man. It's all possible. It's all open. It's all open. Just put the handcuffs on. Man, my hands are dry. Like my hands look like the hands from a 60-year-old. 60, 60, 70, 80, 90. So oh, we go back higher, higher. We have to go. Oh, hold on. I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh man, I'm back again. Give me a second. Now I'm back. Now I'm back. Here I am. Here I am. Coming like a hurricane. Is it coming? I don't know. Coming? Came in? Came in. Came in like a hurricane. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. So we made a nice leg up even before the 11 o'clock retracement here. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Da, 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 da. So, do we take something? Do we take a trade? No, not with this account. Like when we trade our Apex account, we can do it. Then we can do it. Then we can do it. Absolutely. Absolutely. I had to take care of a phone call. That's why I was absent. But here I am. Here I am. Done nothing today. Have done nothing. I have done nothing today, sir. Sir. Sir, sir, sir. Sir, 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 sir. What's this? What the hell is this, man? Hmm. Like, I want to see the reaction at this level here. This is the middle of the consolidation. And so basically we already took a sell side. I don't think wicking down here and going up would be a thing. So basically those are the levels which are a point of interest to me, or were a point of interest to me to see how price is reacting there. Price wasn't able to close above this bookmark here. So let's see. Like here, I want to see the reaction. Yeah. And now if it's closing below, I think we will go lower. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. That is a glitch in the matrix. Yeah. When I'm too when I'm too fast, I think the camera can't take the frames. Take the frames. Maybe I have to stream with higher quality. I guess so. Would be nice. Let's see how does it even looks. How does this even looks? How is this even looking here? Why am I not showing here? There we go. Here am I. Live. Scheduled live. Yeah, the camera, I don't know, the quality is, it's okay, but it's not really so phenomenal nice, isn't it? I don't know. It's okay. It's cool. It's not perfect though, but yeah, it's enough, I guess. Enough. Let's put on 1080. Yeah, no, maybe I have to make a few adjustments there to get a higher quality because I think we can do more than that. We can do more than that. Here I am, came in like a hurricane. All right, we have gone below this level. Mhm. All right. Yeah, so we go lower as expected, and I'm pretty sure we will see lower prices here. And I even considered taking a low from here. Like, I would love to see where are we right now? We're still in the macro. I would love to see, where's my mouse? I would love to see something. How is this looking on the 5 minute basis? Like I would love to see a retest, but there is no real there is no real level which I would prefer to enter. Like unfortunately, I was in a phone call here, so I haven't saw this one, but to be all honest, I don't even know if I would have entered here. So probably not. Probably not, because there was no like let's drag the 15 minutes here. This was the move I pointed out right now. And yeah, basically there was no point of interest here to me though. So maybe I would go in at a retest if we retest this level again. Maybe the C of it. Like if we go below this low, I think I'm not interested anymore. No, no. No, I can't. I can't do it because I promised myself I will stick with that one pattern at this account. So at least, at least on this account, I will stick with that one pattern. Like I will only trade higher time frame key levels and bounce back of them, like a bounce in the other direction, or even like going above or below it and using it as a confirmation to continue the direction it has done. But yeah, so I will not take a trade because it's not within my pattern. If I got the if I got the guys are talking trash. That's funny. That's why I'm laughing. Um, Basically, this would be the like I talked about the CA of the week would be my entry I would like to see, which is basically happening right now, or I guess already happened. So like point 0.5 is 21077. It's here. This one, yeah, my stop would have been here. So let's see if I would have been stopped out. Like, yeah, I will not take it because it's not within my rules, but we will do that with the 300,000 Apex account. Because yeah, this is you see it. This is right now my 50K help me top step, and yeah, like I will I will open today. I will open today 300K, 300K Apex account. 300 fucking $1,000. I don't know what's even allowed to say on YouTube and what's not. Like if I say if I um say those words, is there any um is there any violence to the, I don't know, terms or so I do or not? Is it allowed and is it just fine? I really don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. So basically, would have been nice, but it's still on the level. Like we would have been just a few points, and plus it was 0.77, 0.75, 0.25, something around here. So yeah, basically like 5 points in profit. It's basically nothing, right? So yeah, let's see. Let's drag it out, or let's draw it. So we see what our potential entry would have been. Let's make 7-7 straight, so because we are straight, right? Oops. Um, yeah, so there you go. Potential entry. We will not take it. I said it before because this is not our pattern, and we will not trade this. Yeah, no, it's very simple because I want to stick to my rules. And as soon as I got an Apex account, I can play around a bit. But yeah, not with this, oh shit, not with my top step, not with my top step. Like price isn't really doing anything again. It isn't doing anything again, but I think we will just drop lower with a huge movement. I get a feeling that, oops, sorry. I get a feeling that this will be a huge displacement. Huge, 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 huge displacement, sir. Can you give me huge displacement, sir? Family is hungry. Oh, damn. I just see that this is a very big range. Like, my stop loss would have been, damn, would have been 60 points. That's okay. It's not even that much. 60 points, but where would my profit be? Profit would be here. It's like 29.43. It's like from 77, it's like 60. It's like 130, 130 points. 130 points would be 130 points. I think it's two. I think it would be, I don't know. 130 points would be a pretty nice range. Would be cool. Would be nice, would be likely. Oops. Oops. Oopsie doopsie. Yo, so it is how it is, isn't it? That, and I guess that's how it is. Because if it's always how it is, then it is what it is. And it is, itsy bitsy, lemon squitsy. when I started the stream earlier, like at the beginning, and in the beginning, in the beginning, in the no, I'm joking. In the beginning of the stream, um, I was so tired. Like the coffee solved my problem. It's empty. Fuck. The coffee solved my problem, but I was so tired. Like I was really tired, and I was like, man, I hope I don't fall asleep while streaming. Like it would be funny. Would be funny. Hands on the table would be fun. But on the other hand, man, holy shit, shit. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Shit, shit, man, my homeboy. Yeah, like we going up. That's a nice. That's a nice flag here, isn't it? There we go. It's pretty nice. This is pretty nice to me. So ah, my hands are shaking. I want to take a trade. I want to take a trade. Short, long, short, long, short, long. Give me something to trade. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Bada bing, bada boom. When I step in the room. Man, why is it like that? Like, why am I tripping always when I got a lack of sleep? Well, we missed the price move at the beginning, in the beginning, and now we just consolidate. Man, but this is not looking good, right? This is red. Like this is red. This is red, man. I mean, Nvidia 3 is that's that's pretty weak, isn't it? It's that, isn't it? What's that? Is it the daily? Yeah, it is. It is. So Tesla's. Whatever was Ford. We don't care about Ford. Yeah. Motorola. Are they even a thing? What do they do right now? Actually. Actually? Okay. Let's let's concentrate. Focus. Focus. Laser focus. Yeah. So let me see. What kind of news do we have the next days? It's like Forex factory, Forex factory. Oh man, I don't want to log in. Come on, it's like tomorrow. Oh shit! Tomorrow we got G20 meetings. Like day one of them. I think they go to Friday or yeah, Wednesday is like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, Friday. No, no, Friday. There's no G20 anymore. So I think next week there's already NFP, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see if we crash the Apex account on NFP. No, I will not take. I will not trade news. Like I will not do that. 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 So just for the sake of transparency, I don't took this trade. I don't took it because it is against my rules. But I said earlier that this where was my stop? It was here. Um, that this to me would have been a really nice trade, and the take profit would have been, hold on, it was 900, what was it, 943. So 940, oh shoot, 940, let's make 946. Should be a 2, yeah, it's 2.15 risk reward. Like again, as I said, I don't took this trade. I don't took it. I just said that's in my thought of possibilities what could happen, because I think, like, to me it looks that it will go down, right? But it is not my pattern, and neither it's my time. And also, like, yeah, it's not mine. It's not mine. I don't want to say anymore, but I also said I want to see, and this is still valid, I want to see a huge drop down. Like, I don't want to see it tingling, ling, ling, ling around those levels. I just want to see it go with displacement lower, smashing through those levels, and then, like, maybe it doesn't, maybe it will not go very fast to my take profit, but at least I want to see it go fast through those. I want to see it go fast through through this level here. And yeah. Yeah. And then I would yeah, like then my thoughts would become reality, which they mostly do most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. We will see. We will see if I'm right or if I'm wrong, or if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Da 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 do do do. Oh man, I'm looking. white, right? I'm looking like white. Like this is I'm the same color as this. Oh, where is it here? I'm the same color as this. Holy, I'm white or a bit blue even, isn't it? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, let's turn on the lights again. There we go. Man, this is there I have a bit more color. And that was spooky. It was like a ghost. I was like a ghost. Yeah, so we basically we just um hanging around in those levels. In this level, not in those levels, because it's it's just consolidation. And even if you look at the 5-minute basis, which is on the top left corner here, where is my cursor here? If you look at this here, you see like very small bodies, very large wicks we accumulating here. We accumulating for a strong move, and I think this strong move will not happen before PM. So I think we will rather stay pretty calm in the AM session, and the PM session we could absolutely rip it. Wow. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe we do it earlier because this could be my displacement I talked before about. Like this could be a job for me as soon as I got my controversy. But without my apex, it's without me. Yeah, like this is looking like the kind of thing I wanted to see. But yeah, we're not there yet. Like I will show it to you on the 15-minute basis because basically that's where I do most of my analysis. Yeah, so I want to see it. Come on here. I want to see it like go with displacement at least through this level here. So at least to the 990 level. I want to see a displacement through it. And yeah, so that's what I want to see. Because right now this is a level of resistance, of high resistance. Like we see it here, price wasn't able to go below it. It just bounced off from it. So um, I want to see it go stab through. It doesn't have to be with 1 wick, but I want to see it like with 2 wicks. With 2 wicks go through 3 wicks, yeah, okay, but more. I don't want to see. I don't want to see it going into it, consolidate, and go higher again. Like I want to see it rip through it, and maybe reaching for higher prices in the PM session could be a thing too. This is nice too here. Let's see, where is my mouse? Give me my mouse. Give me my mouse back. This here is nice too, because oh well, that's pretty bad, because it's not really visible. Which color should we choose? Let's take orange. I think that's a good contrast. There we go. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Yeah, like we reached the third quadrant and failed on the right. This looks to me like we failed before the fourth quadrant. So let's see. Where is it here? Yeah, like in the third quadrant, as I said, and also we do our displacement I talked before about right now. Like for now, if it's closing in the inside, I want to see another one going through it, or even this one just ripping through it. I don't want to see a consolidation and going back up. I don't want to see a consolidation and trying slowly to get down. I want to see it ripping through. Like I want to see a huge movement there. Um, this has many reasons to it because first of all, um, we're before lunch, like yeah, that's nice. That's how I want to see it, man. Just go a bit lower, just step through, make the final fucking leg. Come on. Maybe I have to come on. Maybe I have to push it down. Yeah, no, so basically it has many reasons to it. First of all, we are at before lunch, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes before lunch. Another reason is that we have this level down below, like it's a very high resistance level. In combination to the time we're in right now, if it's consolidating, which would mean it hasn't really the strength um, to hold or to not to hold, but rather to step through the level, and that would mean we would probably go in the PM session higher because the strength isn't there. But that's exactly how I want it, right? That's exactly the thing I mentioned before because right now we are going with the displacement lower. I wanted to close around this level, or let's say within the new week opening gap, and this one going below. Like everything this candle is going below the new week opening gap is fine to me. But I don't want to see it like closing above. I don't want to see it closing above. Neither I want to see it consolidate inside. I want this candle to rip through or the next candle. That's it. That's it. Like I don't want to see much price action inside of the in the candle. So that would be it. But let's see. Let's see how price reacting because right now it's not looking how it's not looking like it's holding. It's more like it looks strong. It looks strong. It doesn't look that heavy to me. But I don't know. It's just a 1 minute chart, right? I mean, the 15 minutes still as bearish as yeah, okay, good. So let's see how price is reacting on the fair value gap there. That's nice. That's nice. Just collapsed on our fair value gap after the consolidation. So yeah, like we got 8 minutes left to go on the 15-minute basis, and that would mean we would close the next candle before or like within like the close of the next candle would be of the next 15-minute candle would be the lunch, and I don't know. I don't know. Hasn't took out my take profit yet. I say it again. I'm not in this trade because it's not my pattern, but I'm just figuring out if this would work, though. I could imagine we will make it to the macro, but on the other hand, we already tried it. We took it a low. No, 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 no way. No, this one, no, this one, not as well. Yeah, I think we will go lower still. I believe that's something I don't want to see. I don't really like this one, and if it's closing above, I'm not even anymore so much into the short. I wanted to close below this level, like within this fair value gap or lower, just not above the high of it. Like I would like to see it close inside or below, and that would mean to me that this could possibly end good. Like that's okay. That's okay. Closing below the half point of it is it's good. It's very nice. Would be even better to close below it, but I guess that's fair enough. That's good enough. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. And yeah, it's okay. What should we do about it? I will call the Wall Street and tell them I think this will go short. I'm pretty sure if I call them and tell them this, the New York Stock Exchange, they will just shoot the price higher to knock me out. Shoot it higher, 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 higher. Yeah, so it would be cool if you close below. Let's see. I don't like it if price is dancing around areas because yeah, like it's not really respecting those levels, which means we are. I mean, it's obvious, really, right, like, right. It's obvious that we're in a current stage right now. Like this was low resistance, but since the opening, I guess, was it since the opening? Yeah, since no, since the first hour after the opening, we're inside like high resistance. Like this is not low resistance at all, and staying a bit inside of the ranges is okay, but I don't know. I don't feel that's how it's supposed to be. I don't like this one either. Like this is too it's too much for me. And let's see how it's closes. Yeah, it's closing above. I mean, it still could go lower, but this is validating to me that it will not go lower. It could also just take the highs out and then go lower to the direction It's all open right now. Like I don't really have a narrative at this point. I'm just tape reading and telling you my thoughts. But I haven't took this trade. I say it again, like I don't took this trade. It's very important to me to make this clear because it's not my pattern. With the Apex account, I would have took it, and I will took these trades from tomorrow on, like be a bit more risky. And yeah, so let's see. Let's CBDBDBB. Man, today it's like, oh, holy moly. Today people ask a lot. Man, I can't wait for the Apex account. I can't wait that my fingers are hot. I can't wait to take the trades, which are not only my pattern. Um, yeah, yeah, like that's the exact thing I don't want to see. Like I would be out here. I would be out. And why is that? Because I don't like it. I mean, it could still, it's still valid. It's all fine. It's all good. It could still go below, and it's still like my thought right now is it will take the sell side and then go lower, right? And maybe it will take the buy side. Sorry, maybe it will take the buy side through lunch and then go lower after lunch or within lunch. And I think this will happen. Like it will take the high and then will go lower. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't like these slow cooks where you stay in them for, I don't know, where was our and our potential entry was, which one was it? Let me see. It was this one. Like it was 11. It's man, it's 45. No, it's 40. Let's be fair. It's 40 minutes from here. 40 minutes in the trade. It's yeah, it's okay. It's not that bad. Man, I'm a call center today. It's unbelievable. Here I am. Came in like a hurricane. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Da, 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 da. Okay, so it's getting dark outside very fast. But the summer is calling. I can hear him already. Her, him? Let's call it her. I like the summer. So it's a her to me. Summer is also a female name. That's pretty cool. So it's a her. Her. The beauty. The beauty. The beauty. Beautiful. A beautiful girl. As I thought, we will take out those highs. It's going faster than I thought. I thought this will take more time. But if I look at the 15-minute chart, it kind of also could make, oh, that was, I just moved the level. It could also make a V shape, right? It's like high, low, lower high, lower low, and then going back up. Maybe not back up, but somewhere around here, like this breaker here, and then I don't know. Could be possible. Could be possible. Look, just if I say, just because I say, I think it will take out the highs and go lower, it doesn't mean that I would blindly sell here. If I say those things, it's more like um, I would look for a sell here, like with the trade before, which I don't did, but which I mentioned and which I showed on the short icon. That was a trade I would have taken if I had the Apex account. Yeah, all right. But this one here, no, like I have no reason to be long right now. I mean, it's showing me a bit of bullishness here, and also that's a very strong move to the upside. So yeah, potentially we could go higher, but I'm not interested in that, like not at all. I mean, on the other hand, we still have the buy side from the London range in play, right? Let me show you like this one here. This is still a thing. Like this is a just imagine. I will make back. It's not Asian range right now, but this whole thing is buy side. This whole thing is buy side. So it has to be taken at some point. I think today. I think today, because if we aim for lower targets, it would be just reasonable to take it today. This is looking. This is looking good. Strong. Good, strong. This is a good, strong. Hold on. We're there again. Yeah, this time it was a friend. I was riding with him, like, he should call me. Or no. I don't said to him he should call me. I said that um, he should tell me when he's free. And he called me immediately. But yeah. Yeah. So basically, to be honest, I think that's it. That's it for me. I'm not interested in doing anything no more. So I'm not really sure where price is going, but maybe as I said, maybe it's just retracing inside to the range, inside of this range here, going to this level and then just being weak, going lower. Anyway, maybe we also take the buy side, but if we take the buy side, then I probably, where is the buy side? It's here. Man, then we would close like with a huge wick. I don't know. I'll let myself surprise. Maybe I come in later to the p.m. session on stream? I don't think so. Maybe I fall asleep, but I try. I try, and if not, we will see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow we got news. Tomorrow we got that's cool. Tomorrow we got some cool news, I guess, or do we? I think we do have some cool news tomorrow, today, tomorrow. Yeah, no, we don't. We don't. We don't, but yeah, we will make the best out of it. I think we can catch something tomorrow with Apex. This will be funny. This will be funny because with Apex we can just mess a bit around and make this as our fun account. So anyway, anyhow, guys, I wish you a pleasant trading day, and I hope you had fun. And if you look this video in aftermath, leave a like here because it costs you nothing and it gives me the um, view that you like what I'm doing here. And yeah, so be part of my journey. Thank you very much for joining, and I will see you tomorrow at 9:15 latestly, maybe today. So have a nice time. Thank you. Bye bye.